Cybercrime numbers are on the rise by the day, while criminals are getting smarter. That means more companies are finding themselves at risk of data breaches, ransomware, and other forms of cybersecurity incidents. 83% of organizations have had more than one data breach, and the average breach cost $4.35 million US, which can be ransom of data, loss, compromise, or theft of electronic data. These breaches usually have an heavy toll on organizations, especially financial impact, making it an important part of risk management for businesses today. Same way that car insurance pays for your vehicle damage and bodily harm in the event of an accident, cyber insurance policy pay for damaged computer system, lost revenue, legal expenses, and other cyber attack costs. Cyber insurance, also called cyber liability insurance or cybersecurity insurance, covers financial losses that companies have as a result of ransomware attacks, data breaches, and other cyber incidents. These attacks can negatively impact your business, which can include a loss of confidence in your company that translates to a distrustful customer base, or the potential financial cost that comes from recovering from such an attack. Sensitive customer data like contact numbers, sales records, personally identifiable information, and credit or debit card numbers are all prime targets for cyber criminals in the digital age. Cyber insurance cost is maintaining an airtight cyber hygiene routine, such as making sure you have a way to audit event and incident logs, configure and monitor all admin and access rights, and manage hardware and software configurations. Remember, cyber insurance is not a replacement for cyber defense. Ensure your organization has an effective cyber risk management policy.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events, and interviews across business, tech innovation, and lifestyle, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.